Hello guys, hope you all are fine, doing well. And today we are going to talk about how to stop living a rubbish life. Yes, you heard it correct. We all are practically living a rubbish life to an extent. I'll tell you the meaning of it. See, some things are unchangeable. We do not have a say in which house we are going to be born, what is going to be the texture of our hair, what is going to be the color of our skin, what will be our height. All these things are not in your control, but there are some changes which we can implement and we can change our life. Now, what I want you to do today is that after you watch this video, you become the best version of yourself. And this should be the aim of every one of us. Whatever you do it in the best way. Okay. Now, what are the things that are in our control which we can do so that we can become the best version? For example, a small example, food. What kind of food you select so that you are healthy, what kind of food you are eating so that it gives nourishment to your body and does not spoil your health. You prefer eating some packed food which is packed 4 months back, which is given to you, you don't even know what hygiene standards and what is the ingredient over there, or you would like to go for a healthy diet. This is in your hand, and because of that you're cultivating a good habit, you're giving good system to your body, you're giving nourishment to your body. But what are we running for? We are running for everything which is available. Your pizzas, your burgers, your packed food, everything which is loaded of things which are not good for your health. Food is under your control. Next, your health is under your control. Whether you're exercising, whether you're living a sedentary life, you're just binging on all the junk food sitting on your couch. This is in your health, right? Or you get up early in the morning, you prepare a perfect timetable, you devote half an hour for your exercises, you go out in the open air. It's for everyone. For ladies, those who keep on complaining, there are 24 hours. And believe me, that if you just utilize those 24 hours properly, exactly, we will be able to live a perfect life. We all are having 24 hours. Now it depends upon us how we are utilizing that 24 hours. Spending time is the third thing that we do. How do we spend our time? Are we spending our time watching Netflix videos, Amazon, Crime, Z5, Hotstar? There are so many web series that people keep on watching. I might take a month to watch some one part of the web series and people finish it within hours. So how do you utilize your day? How do you spend your time? This is in your hand. And the final thing which is there in your hand is finally the company with which you sit in, the people who are around you. Great men have said, and it has been proved by research, that you are 50% of what people you hang out with. If you hang out with people who are having huge goals, you will be having an attraction. You will be having some magnitudinal, result over there. They will also pull you, and you will feel like doing something. You will be a better version of yourself. In contrary, if you are hanging out with people, those who are having no goal, arey chalta hai, complain, you decide whether you want to do something high in life or whether you want to be a complaint box. So you are going to hang around with people, those who are having high goals, those who keep on achieving their best. How to take control of these things. Till now we were just explaining health, how you're going to take care of your health. You're going to see that you start exercising, and it should not be a one-day process. You keep on motivating yourself. You watching this video actually shows that you want to change. You are looking for motivation. You're looking for some good things which you can imbibe and change your health, change your lifestyle. You should be taking care of your body. Whatever you do it in the best. If you are a student, study the best way. Try to get the maximum knowledge. If you're a housewife, cook the best food. Take care of your children. If you are a working professional, see the positives in life. Every job has a pros and cons. You cannot deny the fact and say, I'm in heaven, I've got the best job. No. Even if you are a working person, even if you're having business, you will be having your pros and cons. So look for the best. You got only one life, friends. You got only one life, and you can live it as per your thinking. Believe me, your thoughts, your actions will make your life and determine the coming 5 years. It is not that since I'm telling you, I've not wasted my life. I have also gone through this phase. But then the person is who recovers. It took me a long time to come up on this platform, even after being pushed by so many people. But I did come, I did make it. So can you. Chase excellence. 80% of the people in this world are actually not knowing what they're doing. They're just wasting of the time. because they do not have that circle. So build a circle, build positive people around you who are going to push you. Do something excellent. Do something excellent and become something great in the coming times. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a day to start something new. Wish you all the best, my dear friends, and let me know in the comment section what positive move you started your day with today. Have a great day. Jai Hind.